Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing these acne patches from Maree. So I do want to thank Maree for actually gifting this to me. And so with these acne patches, I've used my fair share of acne patches before. And what I like mainly, or what I'm looking for, is that the acne patches don't look like they're on your face. So essentially what I mean by that is I like the patches to be see-through, clear, and that's essentially what we have here with Maree. So how to actually go ahead and use these is that you just wash your face, then you take one of the patches and apply it to your skin, and you leave it on there for, I'd say at most 6 hours, and then afterwards just take it off. But if this is your first time using acne patches, definitely highly recommend it. I've had no problems with it whatsoever. These ones here, they're made of tea tree oil and green algae extract. So definitely check it out for yourselves. I've had no problems with it whatsoever. It's going to be great for acne, blackheads, and pimples.